watching a spoilt brat. Ning ning.
Kemumaki? Kenichi? Tadahiro? Kemumaki? Kenichi? Kenichi? That's all.
That's all. Kenichi has won the election. Kenichi Mitsuba has been selected as the head of the prank committee. Kenichi, your cooperation is greatly appreciated.
Well, thanks for selecting me as the head of prank committee.
Chill hell with us, Kenichi.
So Kenichi, you're the head.
Oh, so you have been elected by majority of the students.
Well, I know that I'm popular among my classmates.
But what does this prank committee do? Do you guys play prank in the school?
Not at all. We place regulations on pranks.
Tell me what type of prank?
For example, flicking up the skirt is quite in fashion these days. We put a break to that.
Oh, that's quite sad to know.
Why so?
Because you're the best one in flicking up the skirt, Kenichi.
Oh no! Shut up, Hattori! Don't talk rubbish! Why on earth would I do that?
Oh, come on, Kenichi. I was just kidding. Anyways, you have been elected from the entire class. So do well, Kenichi.
Yeah, leave it on me. Well, now since I've been selected as the head, I'll not let anyone flick up anyone's skirt.
Oh, I'm killed.
Oh!
Hey, you stop flicking up skirts!
Oh no, he caught us.
I want.
Hey, you!
Ooh.
Stop flicking up the skirt like that! Stop flicking up the skirt, you!
I won't do it again.
And then this is what happened.
We are really safe, Kenichi.
Oh, well, that's because I crack down on such things.
You're great, Kenichi. So much dependable.
Hell with us, Kenichi. Look how it's getting carried away. Fine, just wait and watch.
Is that so? It's really commendable you're putting up a good show, Kenichi.
Oh, yeah, well, you know, however difficult a student might be, he can't do anything in front of me.
Well, friend, I want to see this bold and fearless Kenichi once again.
Hey, guys, stop doing that, will you? Well, even today, I'm feeling good right from the start.
Just wait and watch, Kenichi. I'll make you cry. Ken! My secret bell. Ninja Kemumaki style of flicking the skirt. Hey! Here it goes. Hey!
Morning, girls!
Let me start it.
Oh, what's the matter?
Someone flicked up my skirt. Same with me. Me too.
But only I have passed through here. See, no one is here.
Except one. And that's you, Kenichi.
Oh, what? You mean I flicked up your skirt?
Yes, that's right. Well, except for you, there is no one over here.
Oh, no. I don't do that. I'm not that
The
kind
head
of a
of the
guy.
prank committee himself flicks the skirt. That's very bad. That's
How
dare you do
dare
it?
you?
You're
I didn't do
noisy.
It's getting more and more interesting. Wow. Huh?
Well, today let me secretly watch how Kenichi's achievements as the head of the prank committee. Here I am in the school. Huh?
How dare you?
I'm telling you, it's
Kenichi, why are you doing this?
Kenichi, you are the head of the prank committee yourself. Don't you have any sense and any conscience left?
That's right. That's
I'm
right.
telling you, believe me, guys.
Let's go, girls.
I'm telling you, please. Oh no, what a mess. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ning 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 ning. I'm sure there is something fishy about it.
Kenichi, good morning.
Oh, Yumiko.
I never expected this from you, Kenichi. In spite of being the head of prank committee, how could you do
Oh
this?
no, I haven't done anything. Please believe me, Yumiko. I'm innocent.
Looks like Kenichi is in deep trouble. Idea, let me lift Yumiko's skirt.
Oh,
hate you,
please,
Kenichi.
Yumiko, please listen to me. Let me explain everything to you.
Huh? So this jerk Koga ninja is behind all these dirty tricks.
Go.
Well, Yumiko, please believe in me. Why would I flick anyone's skirt like that?
Ning 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 ning.
I have not done it, I swear.
I really hate you.
Here now.
Oh no, not again.
Kenichi!
No, I haven't done it, please.
Then who
Oh,
has done it?
Ning Ning, here I go. The ninja slip technique. Ning Ning.
Kenichi, Scott, God.
Yumiko, I swear I haven't done it at all.
I hate you! Get out of here!
Try to believe it.
Kemumaki, what happened?
Nothing much.
Hey, what is that?
So that's you, Kemumaki?
No, well, actually,
You jerk, Kemumaki is behind all this. Hey,
I'm
flick the
sorry.
skirt. Hey, you,
Forgive
Kemumaki,
me.
wait.
Kemumaki is the culprit. I really hate him.
So at last, no one would doubt Kenichi for flicking the skirt. Momaki is caught and Kenichi has become the hero of the episode. Vote for Kenichi, Ning Ning. Yumiko's picture postcard which got burnt, Ning Ning. Hey Kenichi, are you busy with your studies? Wow, that's really commendable.
Hey, Hattori, take your hand off it. It's the precious postcard Yumiko has sent it to me. Nobody has any right to touch it.
Oh, Ning Ning, excuse me.
Yumiko has sent this to me from Wakaba Tableland.
Oh, so you were writing a reply to her.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But Kenichi, we thought you were studying.
Anyway, he never does it.
Oh no.
Hey, Kenichi, whom are you sending letter to?
Well, I just sent a letter to Yumiko as a reply to her.
Oh, so you got a letter from her?
So that means you also got a letter from her?
Obviously. See this?
Oh, you're right.
Well, there is no reason why she wouldn't send a letter because I'm a good friend of her. Oh, I value this postcard very much.
Well, even I take care of this picture postcard as Yumiko herself. Anyways, take care, bye.
You idiot!
And then...
Yumiko's picture postcard. If it is here, I can see it anytime I want.
Look, Kenichi, who hates studying, is sitting all the while in a study table.
Oh no! Oh, the picture postcard might get burned.
Oh, it is the same postcard which he received from Yumiko.
Wow, that's good news, boss.
Go, Shinzo!
Come on.
What's wrong with you, Shinzu? That's
Oh, come on,
dangerous.
you!
Ding, 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 ding,
Oh
ding,
no, Kemumaki has seen everything. What should I do now?
It's hot.
Oh, Hattori, please, it's a request. Please use the ninja technique and make it as it was.
Impossible. Ninja techniques have their own limits.
Oh, if it won't become as it was, then it would be surely problematic. Kemumaki saw everything. Oh no, what a mess.
I'm not going to talk to you anymore. Huh?
That's interesting.
Ning Ning. Ning Ning? But this is, you see, Ning Ning? What's this?
What's wrong, big brother?
Hey, look at the letters on my palm.
Oh my god.
Kenichi, if we will use this ninja press the character technique, then we might be able to restore the original picture postcard. So just don't worry about it. We'll give it a try.
Well, Kenichi, last year you visited Wakaba, so perhaps you might have some picture cards.
Oh, you're right. I might have fun. Oh, yeah, picture postcard.
Now I'll trace these alphabets with special ink used by ninjas. Well, now give me that picture postcard of yours.
Okay.
Ninja press the character technique. Kenichi, is this all right now?
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I'm happy for you, Kenichi.
Oh, no, there's no stamp on this one. And the stamp has to be from Wakaba Tableland.
One misfortune has followed another.
Ning Ning, don't you worry. I'll go there and get this letter stamped from there.
But Hattori, the post office is very far.
Well, don't worry. A ninja can get anywhere in no time.
And then... Oh.
Oh, Hattori is really late. Maybe the watch is out of order.
Oh, it isn't working.
That's him. That's Hattori.
Hello, Kenichi.
Oh, Yumiko, but you were supposed to be returning next week.
Her dad finished work early, so they came early.
Well, I got a souvenir for you. On my way, I met Kemumaki, so we both came together.
Well, I got it too. See this?
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kenichi.
Well, I've treasured the picture postcard which you sent me, Yumiko.
That's so nice of you, Kemumaki.
What about you, Kenichi? Do you have the picture postcard too?
Well, the picture postcard is like my treasure, so I've asked my mom to keep it in the locker safely.
Oh, I see. Yeah, but would you mind showing it to us?
Well,
Well, isn't it there? Perhaps it got burnt along with trash.
no, that's not the case.
Okay, then show me the proof, Kenichi.
Well, mom isn't there at home, so I'll ask someone to get mom here. Wait. Oh, Hattori!
I'm back as I promised you. See, the postcard has the stamp as well.
Thank you so much, Hattori. Here it is.
Wow, you were certainly keeping it properly.
Hey, did you see this postcard has today's date on it, Yumiko?
Oh,
This is weird. How can anyone receive the letter yesterday which is sent today? Something really wrong.
oh, I'm sorry. This is not the original one at all you gave.
What do you mean? Oh,
Hey, Yumiko, let me explain. What actually happened was the original one slipped and fell into the fire by mistake. And later, I got this done for you.
What? That's terrible.
when he knew that there was no stamp, Big Brother went to Akaba Tableland and got it for us.
I'm really sorry, Hattori.
Oh, that's the matter, but Kenichi and Hattori, thank you very much. You did so much for me. I'm really very happy and proud of you guys.
What? Well, but your postcard got burned.
That's not a big deal. I have this one here.
But this has got today's date.
Oh, thanks, Yumiko. But this time, I'll surely keep the letter properly.
Oh, thank God, everything is fine now. Even I got so many blisters on my foot.
Blisters?
Well, I ran kilometers after kilometers just for this. Nay, nay, nay.